this is my model. Then it will be basically map mapping between my function, that is a function of x and x. So let's write it. This is a mapping. So this is a mapping part. So this is the mapping part. Map my function to x. So my function and x. So this will be my function, which is a function of x and x. Okay. So this is the mapping. Well, now let's plot this scatter plot. So I plot it here. We plot the scatter plot of x and y, the x coordinates and y coordinates. So basically the plotting between the edges of the curves and the speeds of the curves for a particular distance. So dot plot, not a plot actually, I'll just plot, but this is a lower one, so it will be scatter okay, xy x, y, okay. Now this is the plot you can see. Okay. Now I will plot between x and my model, that is the mapping. Now plot PLT dot x my model base dot so. That's the idea. So you can see this is the plot of my model. This is the best. This is basically a straight line